Khaby Lame, a 21-year-old from Italy, has gone viral for his deadpan reaction clips and comic sketches. In one of Khaby Lame's most recent TikToks, he reacts to a clip of someone using scissors to open a container of milk. To show how it's done, Lame simply peels a milk carton open and pours the liquid into a glass while smiling goofily at the camera. It's a simple act, something most people do every day. But the video has over 6 million likes. Subscribe Facts Around the World for more interesting videos, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. This week, Lame, 21, surpassed Addison Rae to become the second most followed TikToker in the world. Lame is a 21-year-old Senegalese-Italian creator based in Italy with over 97 million followers and 1.4 billion likes on TikTok. He began making TikToks under the handle Khaby Lame after he lost his job working in a northern Italy factory during the pandemic. In June 2021, Khaby Lame had around 65 million followers on TikTok. Within a month, the Lame vaulted to 97 million, overtaking the penultimate spot from Addison Rae, who now hovers around 82 million. If Khaby continues at this pace, he will surpass Charli D'Amelio, who is currently at the top with nearly 121 million followers, and become the most popular TikTok creator of all time. Lame's earliest videos, which date back to March 2020, were a mix of dance parodies such as doing the "whoa" while soaping his hands and random meme skits, like pretending to DJ with pieces from a chess set. He became famous for his comic expressions and reaction videos, which often show him gazing into the camera with a peculiar look or sarcastically providing an easy answer to a difficult issue. By looking at the camera, he breaks the fourth wall, almost like TikTok's version of Jim Halpert from The Office, who served as the sitcom's straight man. Khaby Lame told, "It's my face and my facial expressions that make people laugh." He also thinks his facial expressions offer a global language. One video shows a person using an extravagant clipping device to grasp a cherry and remove its stem. Then, it switches to Lame sitting on a train with two cherries in front of him. He grabs one, looks into the camera, and yanks the stem. He pops the cherry into his mouth while shaking his head slowly, as if to say, "How easy was that?" The video has 190 million views. Another video, which has 50 million views, begins with a clip of a fast food employee dashing to a car to deliver a heaping tray of drinks and meals. The man crashes into the window, spilling the platter everywhere. After, the scene cuts to Lame, a few fries stuck to his cheeks, shaking his head at the camera with a stony expression painted over his face. He swipes the fries away, glares, and then slowly scrolls the window up. In addition to making TikToks, Lame is a passionate soccer fan. His favorite team is Juventus FC, a club from Turin, Italy. Eddie Murphy and Will Smith are the two biggest inspirations for Khaby Lame. He wants to reach their level of comedy one day. One main reason for Lame's startling success seems to be how his videos are in contrast to many of the videos from top creators like Rae and D'Amelio. Where many big video makers use high-quality cameras, intoxicating music, and carefully plan their lighting, Lame ditches those influencer trappings. His videos are often quiet and alluringly realistic. Instead of flexing ultra-smooth dance moves or entrancing transition skills, Lame frequently just sits in front of the camera. He doesn't bother to optimize the lighting, use color filters or edit his videos at all, which lends an air of authenticity. Lame's fame has become so wide-reaching that fan compilations titled Khaby Lame Best TikToks and Funniest Khaby Lame Compilation have each reached over 10 million views on YouTube. He has Instagram fan accounts with tens of thousands of followers. There's even a Reddit forum with almost 1,000 members devoted to sharing information about him. According to the social analytics website Social Blade, Lame's current follow rate is nearly 8 times faster than D'Amelio's. He garnered 37 million new followers in the last 30 days, while the latter gained only 5 million new ones in the same period. If his account continues to grow at this speed, Lame could pass D'Amelio and become the most popular TikToker of all time by end August. Still, Lame doesn't think of video making as a competition. He said, "I'm happy to be the first in Italy and all, but I didn't start TikTok for this." If you liked our video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Facts Around the World, and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Until next time.